Hello, zamni sajo khansa shuwe chuka sumgi Philippines yongla chamdi tashi dile shuwe yi nyingi yendo sinsin nange changma kusu diwa ingiri.
Okay, so what you are asking?
So I just want to ask, the celebration is going on. So I do not know that exactly the celebration. So could you explain what is the celebration for this football tournament?
Yeah. 6 July 1935, His Holiness Dalai Lama was born in Tibet, Daksir, okay? So right now he is 90 years old. So we are celebrating his 90th birthday. It's called Gudin. Gudin means 90. So in every Tibetan settlement, in every corner of the world, we Tibetan are celebrating His Holiness Dalai Lama birthday. Yeah, and this year, 2025, our government and His Holiness and our people consider this year as love and compassion year. So we have to spread peace, love and compassion, and do not hurt others, and help as much as you can to others, and especially if we can stop eating non-veg, then that will be very good and it's a noble work. Yeah, so His Holiness is right now 90 years old, and we all Tibetan are praying for his long life, and he wants. We wish him very happy birthday, special on this occasion. And here right now, Tunga tournament, football tournament is going on. Every year we used to organize this football and many other sports events also.
So Tungapur tournament means and every year you celebrate, or only the when it started already?
I don't know exactly the year, but we Tibetans love football. We are playing from our childhood, and our fathers, grandfathers also playing in army, in civil. Yeah, I don't know when it was start, but Tibetans people used to play football from very early age and from beginning, since from 1960, 70 when they reached India.
So the thing is, the tournament held every year, almost coming to the point of players. So there will be players from only from this camp or from this society, or from the outside also they come and join.
No. The all players from this village only, this Tibetan settlement, Hunsur only. Outsiders are not allowed. This competition going between villages. Yeah, right now one is L village, one is E village. Yeah, so right now there's a little problem of population. So we used to combine 2-3 villages together. So we have 6 teams, and they play league match, a semi-final. Now today is the final.
So that league match and all is played over already. So that means this Tunga tournament came to the end of the session.
Yeah.
So I hope this session and the tournament, the celebration and all will go on well. And also there will be a prize distribution also in this tournament. So what are the measurement the tournament and all celebrated? So across your society. But the thing is, how did you come up this idea of tournament, and how did you come with like preparation and all? You need a lot of money and this establishment. So what do you say about that?
Yeah, we have an sports committee. Yeah, that's called a sports organization. There are around 7 members from each village. We used to select it sports members by election.
Yes.
Yeah, and most are the voluntarily used to become a member, and they work very hard. And also we used to raise fund and manage under the also Tibetans who are staying in outside, they used to donate. And also in Tibetan settlement, each and every house used to contribute something for a sports committee. So this way we used to manage the expense. Yeah,
Fundraising and
yeah.
So this tournament is celebrating like colorfully. We could see some of the things over there, and the players really they worked hard, and finally they came to the final match. And today especially and I hope this tournament will give special surprise for the every audience here. And I hope and continually you will have a young people will be rising up for the even for the Indian level. So what do you say about young people like who are now gathered and they are playing?
No, don't have any special words to say.
Yes.
Every year we used to celebrate here the same. Right now sports is changing and youngsters are playing very well.
Yes.
And we also used to hire referee from outsider, and also we used to hire coach from outside. So every year the style of playing is changing and developing very good. Thank you. Now right now.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Stop.